My name is Alimah and I'm a Year 2 student in the Business and Technology Professional Program.
Hi, my name is Emma Rose and I'm a Year 1 student in the Business Technology and Professional Program. And today Alimah is going to teach us how to do a college budget.
Okay, so once you open up an Excel sheet, and once you create your 3 columns under category, item, amount, and description of your choice, and once you finish all your calculations, you'll just have a huge long table of all your expenses, your budget, etc. So here I'll do a trial one of how I'm budgeting myself. So I'm going to ask Emma a few questions about her expenses, income, etc. So Emma, do you have a job by any chance?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so let's say your base income for that job is $1,700. You simply type that in, click enter. And let's say over the summer you receive college gifts, birthday money, etc. So then you type in that, let's say 1,200. And do you have a savings account too?
Yes.
Okay, so let's say in your savings account you have $625. Now to figure out the sum of all of your income and gifts, etc., you type in equals, then type in SUM for sum, and then you have a parenthesis, and then you highlight those 3 amounts you have, and then close parenthesis, then click enter. So that right there, I showed you how to sum up your starting income. Now I want you to try it out. Type in how much a laptop costs, your dorm supplies, and others. Okay, now to figure out the sum of all those expenses. Then highlight all of them, yep. Great job. So to figure out your balance, you type in equals, click on the cell where it has your starting income, then minus that from all of your upfront expenses and click enter. And that's how you find your balance for college. You'll have $1,324 to spend.